Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Foodie. Today we're making coconut macaroons just like my grandma used to, but healthier and sugar-free. We need 2 egg whites, 80 grams of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of erythritol, and a pinch of salt. When you beat the egg whites into egg whites, it's really important that you beat them really tight, and you can do the test if you turn it upside down and nothing comes out, then the egg whites are firm enough. If you enjoy this recipe, please like the video. For more healthy, vegetarian, and quick recipes, subscribe to my channel. Put them in the oven at 170 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, but keep an eye on them to ensure they don't get too dark. After you've tried it, I'm eager to hear your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, have fun imitating, and see you next time.